paying. As you can see before the steps, I only had a dragonfly and no raccoon. But after the steps, I got a raccoon pet. I did the steps multiple times to make sure it's still working and got lots of raccoons. Here's how you can do it too. First, like this video and copy the share link. Then go to my account and click here. Enter your username and select the raccoon pet. Restart your game and enjoy your new raccoon. How to get the raccoon pet?
Coba teman-teman lihat kalau ini kita menemukan mouse yun na yung dito. Nah, mengapa demikian? Kita bisa melihat dari film di bawah sana dia berputar. Ini biasanya bisa digunakan untuk penakal. Coba teman-teman